a large number of young Indians are entering the job market for the first time. And they're also entering the middle class for the first time. However, we see that a large number of young Indians are not equipped with important money management skills because we do not have financial literacy as a part of the formal school or education system. Basic concepts like investment, savings, retirement planning, mutual funds, cost of money, cost of return, rate of return. These are important money management skills which need to be taught to our young people right at the school or college levels so that when they enter the job market, they not only know how to plan their life, financial life properly so that they can plan a better retirement, and also most importantly that it prevents a lot of people from falling prey to fraudulent get soon rich schemes, dubious cooperative banks or such debt traps. Very seriously, the Ministry of Education must very seriously consider introducing financial literacy as a part of the formal school and college education system so that young Indians who are entering the job market for the very first time are equipped with a very important life skill so that they can navigate their financial life in a more effective manner. Thank you so much.